Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is a video I've been wanting to make for a while. In the different 3D printing groups, I see that there's some people who are so obsessed with how the first layers go. And me personally, I really don't care, because most of the time my first few layers are just parts of the raft. It's just 3 layers, that's all it is, and then it gets onto the actual model. I honestly don't care how the first layers go. I mean, I could see if the entire thing was supposed to be flat and smooth, yeah, that would bother me. And people are trying to figure out, like, oh, I gotta change this, this, and this, and this, and this by changing a whole bunch of different settings. I honestly don't change that many settings. I change the print speed, I change the density of the supports, the infill on that percentage. I'm always going up or down. Sometimes I go down pretty low to like 2%. Sometimes I go as high as 10%. It all just depends on what I'm trying to print. But a lot of times my prints just, they initially look rough, but also you could sand them, smooth them out with some filler primer, some Bondo if you need, or spot putty if you have some, and then you could turn like really rough prints like this. You see how rough that top is? And you can turn it into something like this. Yeah, there's errors and such. There's like line marks and everything. But when you're 2-3 feet away, you can't see it. So don't drive yourself crazy trying to make every print perfect, because then you're ruining the fun of 3D printing. It's a lot of trial and error. I mean, heck, look at this helmet. It's the same helmet, but it's printed huge. So I know I wasted a lot of material, but I have ideas for what I want to do with this helmet. So it's not a total loss. And also I have helmets where they're too small, and or prints that fail, like the one I'm currently working on, which I gotta stop real quick. And most of the times I gotta use some painter's tape to hold the print down to make sure it doesn't slide everywhere. So yeah, so you don't get issues like that. Ooh, that's really smooth. I like that. So this is the new filament that I'm testing. So far it's pretty good. Don't mind this part here. It just got caught and it was causing all the problems. So, and also I'm still trying to figure out how this filament works, because I've never used it before. So thank you for watching, and like I said, just enjoy yourself. Like, yes, you might have to do a little extra of the post-processing work. It's better than driving yourself crazy trying to change every minuscule option that you can do in your 3D printing program. Just enjoy yourself. Thank you.